بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, good morning to you all. Today, inshallah, we'll be continuing taking our lesson for the third year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdaiti. So I hope you have your books ready, your notebooks and some pencils. We might need to write something. So today, inshallah, our unit is time. This is the last lesson, lesson number 4, and we will be done with unit number 3. The name of the unit is time, lesson number 4. I hope you have your books at page 42 and 43. 42 and 43. Let's start. Bismillah. Let's try to remember what we've learned in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, because the unit is about time, we learned how to say the time, how to ask about the time. We use the question, what time is it? Or, what's the time, please? Also, we introduce quarter and half. Quarter past, quarter to, and half past. So, let's start. Bismillah. This is the name of the unit, time. Let's do some exercises. Before we start, this is the question. We'll be asking this question over and over again. So, let's start by doing this exercise. If I ask you, my dear student, what time is it? Or, what's the time for this one? What's the time? Can you help me? It is. Is it 1 o'clock exactly? No, it is quarter past 1. Quarter past 1. Very good. Or, we can say 1:15. 1:15. So we can say quarter past 1 or it is 1:15. It is 1:15. Very good. How about the next one? If I ask you, what time is it? Or, what's the time, please? Can you tell me? Is it 2 o'clock exactly? No, it is quarter to 2, or it is 1:45. It is 1:45. So let's say the time one more time. It is quarter past 1 or it is 1:15. For the next one, it is quarter to 2 or it is 1:45. It is 1:45. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. Let's try to remember how to say the time in this clock. In this clock, if I have it here, then it is quarter past or 15 minutes past the time. This one is half past, 30 minutes, 6:30, 7:30. This one is quarter to or 11:45. In this case, I have it, it is, what time is it? It is 11:45 or it is quarter to 12. Quarter to 12. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, for this one, my dear student, I need you to help me read the time here. What time is it? What time is it? It is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock exactly. Very good. It is 1 o'clock exactly. Let's go to the next one. What time is it? What time? It is quarter past 1. Quarter past 1. Or it is 1:15. It is 1:15. Very good. It is quarter past 1 or it is 1:15. Very good. How about this one? What time is it? It is half past 1. It is half past 1 or it is 1:30. It is 1:30. Very good. The last one I have, it is a quarter to, not 1, 2. A quarter to 2 or it is 1:45. It is 1:45. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. So, today, my dear student, I will introduce something that is called preposition of time or time preposition in, on, and at. Remember, we are still talking about time. I need you to focus with me. Let's start reading in. What do I use in with, my dear student? I use in, let's read together, parts of the day. So I say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Or in January, in February, in Shawwal, very good. Or with years, in 2010, in 2002, in 2020, very good. Or with season, in summer, winter, autumn, and spring. So I use preposition in these cases. Let's go to on. What do I use on with, my dear student? I use on with days of the week. Like what? On Monday, on Tuesday morning, on Friday afternoon. Very good. Or I use it with dates. On the 12th of July, on birthday, the last one I have with at. Times, 3 o'clock, midday, midnight, or at night. Very good. Let's go to the next one. I hope you have this in your book. So I hope you have this at page 42. Have your books ready because we will be doing some reading. Prepositions of time: at, on, in, after, and before. Let's read them one more time. At, on, in, after, and before. Very good. Let's start by reading at, my dear student. At night or at time. Let's read the examples. I always watch TV at night. I ate breakfast at 8:45. I went home at sunrise. So I have at night, at 8:45, at sunrise. Very good. That's preposition at. Let's go to the next one. I have on. Preposition on. On, I use it with day and with date. Let me explain by reading the sentence. I went to Abha on Saturday. I can say on Friday, on Monday, because days. Khalid was born on the 9th of August, 1987. So here I don't have a day, I have a date. I have a date, very good. So I went to Abha on Saturday, a day, that's a day. On 9th of August, 1987, that is a date. That is a date, very good. Let's go to N. I use N with in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Also I use it with month. In January, in Shawwal, in Dhul Qa'dah, on February, very good. And with the year, in 1999, in 2010. Let's read the example. We visited our uncle in Ramadan. He bought a new car in 2010. She writes her homework in the evening. So I use in here with Ramadan, a season, 2010, a year, and in the evening, Okay, I hope you are ready because we'll be doing some exercises now. So, for this one, my dear student, complete the sentences with in, on, or at. Let's read number 1. My birthday is the 16th of May. The 16th of May. In, on, at. What do you think? 16th of May. Remember, I use something with day and date. On, very good. On the 16th of May, very good. Number 2. She was born in, on, at 1993. What do you think? What do you think? In 1993, very good. Number 3. It happened June 2018. June 2018. In, on, at. What do you think? In, on, or at? On again because I have a date. Very good. Number 4. She will come Monday, Friday, Saturday. What do you think? In, on, or at? The answer is on again. Very good. Number 5. He will come 10 a.m. I have a time here. In, on, or at? What do you think? I have at now. Very good. I have at. Let's go to the next one. For this one, I will try to answer. If I have time, I will go through them all. So I have 3 columns here. I have a table. I have at, in, and on. And I have the words in the box. So let's start with the morning. What do you think? At, in, or on? What do you think? In the morning. Very good. In the morning. Very good. The next one I have is 2013. 2013. At, in, or on? What do you think? 2013? 2013. In 2013. Very good. Night. Night. At, in, or on? What do you think? Night. At night. Very good. At night. Excellent. The next one I have is February. February, a month. February. In February. Very good. In February. Sunday. A day. Sunday. What do you think? Sunday? On Sunday. Very good. On Sunday. Ramadan. What do you think? In Ramadan. Very good. I have 5th of May, a date on 5th of May, and we have already this one at 10:30. Let's go to the next one. Now, I hope you have your books at page 43. Let's read and do the exercises. At, on, and in. Let's read number 1. Hamid walked to the market the afternoon. At, on, in. What do you think? Afternoon. What do you think? In the afternoon. Very good. In the afternoon. Hamid walked to the market in the afternoon. Number 2. Noura went to Al-Kharj Friday. Friday. What do you think? At or on? At or on? On Friday. Very good. On Friday. The last one I have, my brother played football at 4:30. Very good. At 4:30. So let's read the sentences one more time. Hamid walked to the market in the afternoon. Noura went to Al-Kharj on Friday. My brother played football at 4:30. At 4:30. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. Also, I will explain 2-time prepositions or 2-time expressions before and after. Before and after. What do I mean by before and after? Let's explain. I need you to look at this ice cube. Before, it was a full ice cube. When I take it out of the fridge, it is just water. So this will explain before and after. Okay, let me show you another picture. I have these 2 pictures. I have dirty teeth to your left with the boy. He has chocolate all over his clothes. Before it was dirty, but after he has it clean. So he has clean teeth and clean clothes. Very good. Also, let's look at this picture. I have a closet, a messy closet. Before it was messy. Clothes all over the floor. After that, it got cleaned. Before and after. Very good. So, let's read the sentences. We are at page 43, my dear student. We are at page 43. So, I hope you have your books ready and let's read together. What do we do before, after the school? What do you think? What do we do before the school or after the school? We don't have enough time before the school. So, what do we do after the school? Very good. What do we do after the school? Excellent. So, before, let's read the sentence. I get dressed before the school. I get dressed before the school. I watch TV after the school. I watch TV after the school. Very good, very good. So, this is the meaning of before and after. Let's go to exercise number 4. Exercise number 4. Look, read, and write. I have 3 pictures with 3 names and 3 sentences. Let's start with the first one. If I ask you, my dear student, what time is it? Or what's the time? It is 6 or it is 10 past 6. So, let's read about this girl, Anwar. She eats breakfast. What do you think? Before school or after school? She eats breakfast before school or after school? What do you think? What do you think, before or after? Very good, before, because we need to eat the breakfast early, before we go to school. So let's read the sentence now. She eats, let me write it one more time. Before, so she eats breakfast before school. She eats breakfast before school. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Again, students, pay attention to the time. What time is it? It is 20 past 6. 20 past 6. Again, it is early. Mu'adh, what about Mu'adh? He brushes his teeth. What do you think? Before breakfast or after breakfast? What do you think? Before breakfast or after breakfast? What do you think? Very good. After breakfast. Very good. After breakfast. He brushes his teeth after breakfast. So let's read the sentence. Mu'adh, he brushes his teeth after breakfast. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Again, look at the time. It is 10 past 3. 10 past 3 in the afternoon. Farah, she writes homework when? Before or after school? She writes homework after school. Very good. She writes homework after school. So let's read the sentences one more time. She eats breakfast before school. He brushes his teeth after breakfast. She writes her homework after the school. After the school. So let's try to remember what we've learned in this lesson, my dear student. In this lesson, we learned about time, more how to say the time. Also, we introduced prepositions of time: in, on, at. When do I use each one? And also, we introduced the before and after. When do I use before? And when do I use after? That was our lesson today. Until I see you next time, Stay safe والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.